Here I stand on a fork on the road with a broken heart that can't seem to grow. Where do I go? Where can I grow? Somewhere the air is clean, somewhere I've never been. Take me high above the clouds, somewhere I can scream and shout, I'm free. I don't need a fancy place, just somewhere there's space to fly and spread my wings. Just some nature and a breeze, come on. Life's full of presents, just open your eyes. Big blooming flowers, sunsets and blue skies. Going fishing in the pond, little creatures looking on. Birds and frogs singing songs, I could be here all day long. Ooh. Where there's stars shining bright, you gotta love those northern lights. That's where I'll be.